Hello guys, today we will discuss the how we can convert a relation into second NF form. We have already done that, the converting a table into second NF form, but right now we have given the two questions in this way. If we have given a relation in this way and with the functional dependencies, then how we can convert that relation into a second NF form. So let's see how we can go see the in this example we have a relation with the A, B, C, D attributes, and these are the functional dependency from A, B to D, then B to C. Okay, and additionally we have given that A, B is a prime key attribute or the candidate key, and C, D is a non-prime key attribute. But let's suppose we have done already that from if this kind of relation is given with the functional dependencies, so how we can find the candidate keys by using the concept of closure. So first we verify that key AB is a candidate key. Let's see how, as I already taught you that key from how we can find the candidate key. So let's see that from this functional dependency, let's take this all the right hand side attribute and right side. So there is D and C. What are the remaining attributes from all the attributes? That is A, B. Okay, so we will find is AB is a candidate key or not. So we will find a closure of AB. So from AB I can get AB at least. Okay, and from this functional dependency from AB I can get D, and from B to C. That means this closure of AB gives the all the attributes of the relation. That means AB is candidate key. That verify that. After that, finding the attribute after finding the candidate key, what it is the next step? The next step says that if you want to convert a table into a second NF form, that means that one condition should be there, that is all the non-prime key attributes should be fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. First, again, all the non-prime key attributes should be fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. So there are the AB are the R prime key attribute. So let's see if with the functional dependency, here only D, if you see that here only D is dependent upon the AB, that is complete prime key attribute, but C is not fully functionally dependent upon the AB, it's only dependent upon the B. That means it's C only require B attribute to get its value, but D requires all prime key attribute values to have its value. So that means AB, this functional dependency is fully functional dependency. Okay guys, so we can use this concept by decomposing this table. So we will create a relation which satisfy the definition of second NF form. That means we will take a relation in this AB with D. Okay, all non-prime key attribute is fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. Okay guys, so in a relation we will have only B and D, and after that we will create another relation that will include B and C, in which C is a non-prime key attribute, B is a prime key attribute, and C is completely fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. That means this table, this relation will be decomposed in two relations, that is R1 and R2. Okay, on that basis that satisfy the definition of second NF form. So we will say that this is complete second NF form conversion of this relation. Okay, after that let's consider this example. In this example we have given a relation with the A, B, C, D, E attributes, and these are the functional dependency from A, B to C, then B to D, E, A to D. Okay guys, and it is also given that A, B is a prime candidate key and C, D, E are the non-prime key attribute. But first of all we will find that AB is a primary key or not. How? So we will take all these attributes at the right hand side which are given here, and the remaining one are A and B. Okay, so we will find the closure of AB attribute closure, that is from this we will find that A and B will be there at least, and from after that we will see the functional dependencies. From AB I can find C, from A I can find D. Okay, and from B I can find DE. D is already here, that means E will come, which means that all the attribute comes after finding the closure of AB, which says that it is a primary it is a candidate key. Okay, So after that we have seen that key, this is the candidate key and these are the non-candidate key or the non-prime key attributes. That means C, D, E should be fully functionally dependent upon the A, B combinedly. Okay, so let's see which combination gives you that. If you see that only C is fully functionally dependent upon A, B. Okay, but other attributes are not fully functionally dependent. So we will decompose in such a manner. Let's take AB in one table with C. Okay, AB with C, which says that C is a non-prime key attribute which is fully functionally dependent upon the prime key attribute. Value of C is completely dependent on AB values, okay, which satisfy the second NF form. In the next relation, there is B, D, E or A, D. So we will take first D here. D is combined with A, which says that D is a non-prime key attribute which is fully functionally dependent upon the A's value. Okay, that is a relation 2. Okay guys, okay, very good. But after that we have to also use to E. So for E we will use B. Okay guys, but we have to use D also here because D and E are fully functionally dependent upon B. That means see this. B gives D and B gives E. That is a decomposition. So from this we can find the D values completely with the value of B and E values with the value of B. So in a table we can use B, DE. Sorry, DE. Okay. Third relation which says that DE are the non-prime key attribute whose values are completely dependent upon the prime key attribute. So we have to decompose this relation into a 3 relation, that is R1, R2 and R3, which says that this is now completely into NF form. Okay guys, this is all about how we can convert such a relations into a 2NF form. Okay, so guys, please get ready for the third NF form. We will start from the next lecture. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay, so and more thing is, if my videos are helping you, to please like and share these videos and subscribe the channel, plus please follow the playlist of this channel. Okay, playlist of this subject. Okay, thank you.